Hey guys, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are on another job site here in Clearwater, Florida. I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see what we're working with. As you can see here, we are set up for a driveway cleaning. We have our sandbags, our silt sock, and our scupper down here. This is all rolling downhill from that direction. So that's why we do not have sandbags on the other side. The lady here just had tree work done, and there's a bunch of marks all over the driveway. So we're here to get that all cleaned up. Now, as we move on up here, she does have some mineral staining on the driveway. We are not here for that. We are charging the tree company. They are paying for what they did to the driveway, not for existing stains and so forth on the driveway. So we're going to go ahead, we'll get set up. We're going to go and do the entire driveway. We will give her a free cleaning of the walkway and the front patio, but we'll get a camera up on the tripod so that you guys can follow along. All right, we are finished now with the cleaning portion of this project. As you can see, we still have a lot of the marks that are left behind from the tree company. What you're seeing now is just tannin stains. So we have the soft wash system set up over there in the van right now. We are going to apply a 6% chlorine solution, and then all of that will disappear. Stay tuned. All right, bring you back in with the iPhone, give you a little bit better image quality here so you can see exactly how this project turned out. As you can see, all of the tannin stains are gone. Everywhere these tree limbs and so forth were dragged across the driveway, it's all cleaned up and looking like new.